Guys, this is super delicious. Ito na, magsa-start na tayo magluto. Ito na yung ground pork ko. This is lean cut. Lean ground pork. Tapos, meron akong garlic and onion. I'm thinking of putting tawag dito, tomato sauce, pero magbubukas ako kasi ng bago, konti lang kailangan ko. So, maglalagay na lang ako ng atsuete powder just for color, and probably some kamatis. Oo, probably, kasi alam nyo na, minsan depende kung anong meron. Ito na yung tomatoes natin. Meron din pala ako dito, nag-boil ako kanina ng quail eggs. Also some frozen vegetables, mixed vegetables. Matutunaw na naman yan mamaya. If it's frozen, you can just add water in a bowl and then put the frozen veggies, and okay na siya. This is a very easy dish. Maraming versions. You can never go wrong with this dish. As you can see, I'm starting with the garlic. Kung hindi naman kasi nyo isusunog or susunugin ang garlic, pwede nyo siyang unahin. Kasi ako gusto ko medyo brown pa siya ng konti. Slightly brown. Tara, init. Mainit pala yung pan. Ay, yung pinggan. Add ko na ang ground pork. If you prefer ground beef, pwede. Pero kota na kami sa beef. Ay, ba't ko ba ni lahat? Pwede na to lahat. Ayan, pwede na nating lagayin yung tong atsuete muna. Halos wala na to, pero pag ginanin mo, kakapit kasi yan eh. Lagyan ko ng konting water. Wala rin. So this will depend if you want yung red talaga, hindi naman red, orangey color. Wait lang lagyan muna natin ng seasoning powder. I'm using magic sarap, pero you can use any seasoning powder. Okay, kapag ang niluluto nyo ay pork, pwede kayong maglagay ng pork cubes or chicken cube or beef cube, pwede rin. Pero huwag kayong gagamit ng mga seafood unless kailangan nyo ng seafood flavor. Okay. Teka, okay na muna yan. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Konti-konti lang. Lagay na ang kamatis. Tomatoes, optional yan. If you have tomato sauce or tomato paste, yun na lang, you can use that. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper. Konting sugar to balance the taste of salty flavor. Usually, ang mga Asian cooking, nag-a-add talaga ng mga sugar. Okay, wait lang natin. Simmer natin yan. Tagalagyan na lang kaya natin ng konti pang water, ha? Para bang okay, simmer natin ng konti or let's cook this some more bago natin i-add ang iba pang ingredients. Nag-add pa ako ng water para medyo may sauce. Tapos ito, use a fork, i-crush nyo yung tomatoes. Okay, so time to taste. Sarap. Lagay na natin yan para maluto. Lagay ko na rin tong quail eggs kasi may part na pa hindi pa masyado, so para mas maluto. Okay, if you're an adult, tapos meron kayong mga health issues, better siguro to use the chicken eggs na lang because cholesterol level ng quail eggs are about 844 milligrams per 100 grams, while chicken eggs contain 372 milligrams per 100 grams. Ang quail eggs are healthy but not far superior to chicken eggs. Binabasa ko yan, ha. Quail eggs are smaller than chicken eggs but contain more fat, protein, iron, riboflavin, and vitamin B12 by weight. Sa bagay, no? Kung isa lang naman ang kakainin nyo o dalawa, di okay. Diba? Kasi malaki naman yung chicken egg kesa dito. So, it's not about the quantity, yung masama siya or hindi, but the quantity of what you will eat. Ang sarap talaga, oh. For those who are not used to cooking, better make sure that you taste your dish every time you add something, ha? Ako kasi medyo, syempre, sanay-sanay ka ng magluto, diba? Meron ako ditong very konting cornstarch with water. And this is what they call the slurry. For those people who doesn't know, or who doesn't cook well, for those people na hindi sanay sa mga cooking terms, slurry is this one. Cornstarch dissolved in water. So, lagyan natin ng oil dito para dito ko ilagay yung cornstarch. Ayan, okay na yun. Ayoko ng yung talagang sobrang dako. Okay, finish. Turn off the heat. Wow! Finish na ang pagluto. This is my version of ground beef with mixed vegetables and quail eggs. I mean, ground pork pala.